I'm Alex Clark from DC. I work on a fork of the Python imaging library that I started in 2010 and has become the de facto Python imaging library. I got involved with a project called Plone, which is a Python-based open source CMS, and Pill was a dependency of Plone, and its annoyances are what prompted the creation of Pillow. The non-standard way Pill was packaged was an annoyance to everyone at the time. So I think Tidelift formalizing a lot of the project minutia has been incredibly helpful. Things that we should do but don't because there's other things, and so having the Tidelift really come in and formalize the process has been tremendously valuable. From licensing to releases, all kinds of just project details that has been great to have their process. I mean, I would love to scale. I think that we have a 5-member team now, and we're doing this for 2 years with Tidelift. I hope we can keep going for another 2 after that, and maybe the team grows, maybe the funding gets larger. I think to sustain it indefinitely is my goal.